Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. This is weekend updates, so I'm going to tell you about the random things that I have going on in my craft room. Maybe it'll inspire you to get motivated and get crafting and finish some things up. We all have those unfinished objects in our room, UFOs. This is 1canoe2. I think it's called Twilight. Some of you have it and you know better than I. I've lost the cover somewhere. This was a partial pad in it was completely mixed in. I didn't even know it was here. In fact, I think I had said, oh yeah, I've done that one before. And I hadn't really done it. I left more out of this pad than I usually do. And I'm just gonna take this stuff and these sentiments and I'm gonna put it right into the pile for the kids and somebody else will enjoy it, but I'm just tired of it. I think I'm giving myself the freedom to say, I have other stuff I'd rather play with. My friend Andrea takes a 6x6 pad. She buys it and gives me what she doesn't want. She might be onto something. What I made was, I need to lay these cards down so you can see them. Birthday card. I think I just made one birthday card. I had a process video where I showed you opening up the bag and laying it all out. And I hope that I was clear. I usually put my sentiments in the upper left and ephemera and that sort of thing up at the top because I work so messy that if I put it down here, I'll bury it. So I try and keep sentiments and things like that up here and then the big sheets of paper and chunks here, and you just keep working until it's gone. This is a happy birthday card that I made. I had a little bit of that plaid left that I did like. That's what happens is when you find a skeleton pad in your room, you've used all the ones that you really love or that you knew what you wanted to do with and were easy to use. Then I have some lace down here that I got in Happy Mail. I just love it. I think it's absolutely adorable. And a die cut happy birthday and layered up. And the flowers behind it. They all have scraps in them. I'm not going to show you the inside of all of them. I think I might have shared these. I had this bow in navy that was just perfect. It came in Happy Mail with these cute little things that I got recently in a card. So thank you so very much. That was just, I just thought this was the kind of card that could use a little bow on it. And then here's the one, similar sentiments. Like I said, I think I showed these before, so I'm trying to go quick on these. And then this one's new. And I did something here. It was kind of inspired by Call Me Crafty Owl's sheet load. I think it's the sheet load for this month where she has the grid of the 4. And I didn't like print it or read it or anything, but I like the idea of it. It's a really good way to use scraps up. So I have 2 of them here. One is on silver shimmer paper and one is on gold mirror paper. And I was sort of experimenting to see which one I liked more and which one brought out the warm and cool. I liked them the same. I didn't dislike one of them. And I fussy cut this big flower and put Wink of Stella on some of the petals and then these flowers down here and then a gold mirror paper hello and a thank you and some flags layered up here and more of the shimmer paper that matches back here and die cut of the paper in this pad. I love this paper. And then a butterfly on top of it. And then I put 2 layers behind most of that die so that it would line up with this so I wouldn't get that waviness that I get when I get in a hurry and just slap them on there. And then I made a scrap card with the strips that I had laying around and I turned it into a sympathy card. I think it's okay as a sympathy card. I don't know that I would have gone with shimmer paper for that, but that's all right. And then this one, I love this paper and so I didn't want to put anything over it. I thought about putting butterflies or something around it and these papers I just love and I didn't want to cover them up. And then I did make some tags. When I get down to the point where the paper can barely cut out a tag, then I'm probably tired of making cards anyway, so I do some. And this one was a sticker from something else in my stash, Never Stop Blooming. Same here, this was from the other collection, pink paisley one that I'll probably make a separate video to show you because it's too much, but I wrapped it up this week too. Too much for one video, all of this. Good things on the way. Picked up a little bit of red that was in there. So just cute tags, and I like making tags, but I don't use them that much. I'll either make cards with them on card fronts because I like them for that, or maybe I'll put them in my Etsy store. I need to put some more stuff in there. Stuff's moving. My mom bought some. Isn't that the funniest thing? She's hilarious. Cracks me up. But I also had a first purchase, of course, was Annie. My second purchase was someone from California that I don't know that bought a journal as a gift. I thought that was super fun. And then my mom. So that's hilarious. This is one thing that I do when I get down to the bits of my paper, and I don't know if I've done a good job showing you this, but I did it with sweet clementine. I cut flower petals because they're so small, and like 2 or 3 of them, even in a paper you don't love, you can use them later for things. So I'm going to take these flower petals and mix them, because there's somebody I follow on Instagram, and I can't think of her name, and she makes amazing, gorgeous flowers with printed papers and just mixes them all up. I don't know if she mixes like complete collections and color families like that, but they're gorgeous. I love them. And then here's some other ones. So these will just be scraps that sit around in my craft room and I can use for layering or embellishments on something else. Oops, a flower petal got away. So that's part of how I end up with so much fun stuff in my craft room to cut later. For example, I had a good luck. I think this one was from the actual paper, but I used a different one for this. And you just look around, like this butterfly, it wasn't from this paper. It had just been sitting around. That's how I kind of get a stash built up. Same with the circle stripe right here. This is a different navy, different collection. You just get some interest, and then when you're putting stuff together, you can grab something else that inspires you and mix it in. I'm calling that collection done. I went shopping, and I'm not going to show you. I went to Tuesday morning, and I went to Whimsy's, which is my local, not local, but it's in Beaverton. So it's about an hour from my house. And I went there and went a little crazy on like 4th of July paper, because I'm a blue lover. I have to. And I had some Chick-fil-A. So I'll have a haul video. I did pretty well on 12 by 12 paper at Tuesday morning. There were no, pay attention to this, no 6 by 6 pads in the store. I did not see one, and I looked around. There were sticker books. What are they for? Like planner sticker books, bunch of those, and maybe 3 6 by 8 pads. That was it. It was so crazy. Okay, I totally cheated. I peeked, you guys, but I had a legitimate reason, okay? I was going shopping, and I was headed out the door, and I wanted to know what was in this big envelope, so that, I don't know, maybe I would have bought the same exact stuff, right? So, I mean, I had a legitimate reason for peeking. I think that's okay. Okay, so these have served their quarantine, and they are here now. This is from Minneapolis Betty. So I have a card from Minneapolis Betty. She has a channel here on YouTube, and she's been on my channel and supported it for a while. And then this one is from Chica Chats. You've probably heard me talk about her. She does No Paper Left Behind. She's on Instagram as Chica Chats with a Z. So I will try and remember to put her information down below. And if I forget, maybe somebody can remind me. And her name, I'm pretty sure, is Paolo, but Chica Chats is what she goes by. And I think that's funny. She posts a lot on there. Let's open this card and take a peek. I'm going to use my letter opener. You guys will be so proud. I was watching St. Elmo's Fire and crafting, finishing up those tags. Have you guys seen that one? I don't know if I had seen it. It's kind of like those 80s party movies, but they had graduated from college. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love it. I love the papers. So I don't know if you can tell, but not only is it like fun scraps, but like right here, it's layered on top. So it has different dimensions. I like the spaces between it. The world needs more of you. This is just beautiful. Oh, I see. It's super thick, so it's popped up too. Oh, she says, I wanted to send a little happy mail in your direction. Thanks so much for all you share on YouTube. I find much inspiration from your videos. Hugs, Betty. And it's not Minneapolis Betty, it's MPLS Betty. I'll try and remember to link. This is just a wonderful card, Betty. I love it. Really, really pretty. And I bet she uses scraps to make these. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Love it. Thank you so much. Super fun. Okay, This is crazy. I think this would be called a loaded envelope. I've never made one of these, but it seems envelope-y and it's definitely loaded. And I don't know if she has a card in here to me. I'm just going to dig through it, see what we see. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a lot of detail. Such a fun card. She says, enjoy this little goodie bag. I tried to find some blue items for you and added the paper from Love, Nicole. The book said blue, but it's more greenish to me. She's thanking me for the gift I sent her. Crafty hugs, Chica chats. Hugs back to you. Absolutely. So much fun. Oh, this is some blue for sure. Oh, they're foamy. They're foamy blue glitter hearts. Those are cute. Oh, this is going to take me forever to look through. Okay, I'm going to have to do some of this off camera. So much cute stuff in here. Look at this butterfly. Oh. And I've been thinking about it. You know, I've been doing all these really pink projects. And part of it is because I hadn't been shopping in so long. And so we're kind of getting, you know, we're getting into some stuff. And I think I'm just going to start buying way more blue. When I see it, I'm going to buy it, regardless of the price of it. Oh, here's some fun love stuff. Yeah, this was really, really cute. Cut aparts. Always kiss me goodnight. Call me. Be mine. Oh, such fun stuff. Girl Squad. Kiss me. So cute. Thank you so much. I already peeked in here. Look at these. Look at these blues. Oh my gosh. I do not know what these are from, but good heavens. Ooh, and I like this number one. Yeah. This is amazing paper. It feels nice too, like it has a little bit of texture. I don't know whose paper that is. Oh, this is so cute. She tied the ribbon on it and got it to sit there just perfectly. I should have just scooted it off. I'll never get it back. They are green, but they're really pretty. I mean, they're tealy. Ooh, look at that one. That one's fun. Yeah, and they do have a lot of blue and teal. These are cool papers. That's funny. I know what that one's from because it's from that pad that I love the colors in. This one too. I love that paper. That's so funny. You're spoiling me. Yep, that one too. It's from, I think it was Pebbles. I loved it. These are such cool papers. Did you tell me where? Tried to find some blue items. It's really cool paper. It's so fun when you get things that you just haven't seen anywhere near you. Like, I haven't seen any of these. Oh, yeah, those are pretty blue, those suitcases. I love this paper. This is super fun. Thank you so much. Should I call you Chica or should I call you Paulo? I'll call you Chica Chats. That'll help people. You can find her. She's on Instagram. She makes tons of stuff and posts it. She makes so much neat stuff. Look at all this luscious paper. Oh my gosh. So much good stuff in here. Ooh, there was some purple even. Oh, look at this one with stars. Okay, I'm going to go through here really, really super careful and not make you guys watch every bit of it. Look at these. Oh, these are so adorable. Look at these. Oh, there are little frames in here. These are so cute. Really, really cute. I love them. Does a 6x6 fit in there? No, more like card size. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Thank you so much for the fun surprise. This is just cute. Really, really cute. Thank you so much to Betty and Chica Chats. I'll load up my video with the shopping. That one will come later, just because I don't want to put a big haul in here either, and we've got this whole other set of cards to look at too. I've been very, very busy. I would show you my craft room, but some of you, it would probably terrify you so much that you could never come back to my channel. But I'm really, really hoping that before the weekend is over, I put some things together and get it tidied up. And I think I'm going to do some crafting with friends on Sunday. So hopefully that goes well. I don't know how it works in all the states, but we're in phase 2. So there's some rules and you can go and get food, but the dining rooms aren't open. So it's still kind of tricky to go places and shop because restrooms aren't fully available. So that's really tricky. I made it happen today and I was super excited. And for me, it was quite a spree. So I don't know what day that'll come out, but maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.